If you use OneDrive on your desktop, this quick trick can save you a lot of frustration when you need access to important files without internet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make files available offline on OneDrive desktop, step by step, so you can keep the files you need stored locally and ready to open anytime. This is especially useful for travel, school, work, or any moment when your connection is slow or unavailable. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open File Explorer on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or searching for File Explorer in the Start menu. Once it opens, look for your Microsoft OneDrive folder. This is where all of your synced cloud files are stored and managed on your desktop. Open that OneDrive folder so you can see the files and folders that are currently available through sync. Now find the file or folder that you want to keep offline. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or an entire folder of important files. Once you've located it, right-click the file or folder to bring up the context menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Always Keep on this device. Click that option and OneDrive will begin downloading the selected file or folder to your computer. At this point, you may see a syncing indicator while OneDrive finishes the download. That's completely normal. Just wait a moment until the green checkmark icon appears. That green checkmark means the file is now stored on your device and available offline. From now on, you'll be able to open it even if you lose internet access, and OneDrive will keep it synced whenever you reconnect. If you want to make sure the setting worked, you can test it by disconnecting from the internet and opening the file again. If it opens normally, then you've successfully made it available offline. This is a great way to protect yourself from connection issues and make sure your most important files are always ready when you need them. A quick tip, if you only need a few files offline, choose them individually so you don't take up unnecessary storage space. But if you often work on the same project, keeping an entire folder offline can be much more convenient. You can repeat the same steps anytime you want to change which files are stored locally on your desktop. And that's it. You now know how to make files available offline on OneDrive desktop. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how you work day to day. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.